Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix 100% disk uses in Windows 10. So let's get started. So simply go to search bar, type here services, click on services. Now click on any key and type S. Now find here sysmain. Here it is sysmain. Main. Right click on it and click on stop. Now open sysmain, select the startup type, click on disable and click on apply, click on OK. Now type here connected device platform services, right click on it and click on stop. Now open connected service platform. Now here again select startup type, click on disable, click on apply and click on OK. By doing this process, it may fix your problem. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.